All right, ladies and gentlemen, so welcome to UGR. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Etsy. Started in the beginning of this year, 2018. I'm going to show how it's been going, my progress, and maybe share some tips that I've learned from other people. So here are some of the results from the past 7 days. We have 191 views, 98 visits, which resulted in 5 orders and $135 in revenue. So I'm really enjoying how Etsy is really turning out. I'm probably making about $8 to $10 profit per product that I'm selling on Etsy. So a lot of the stuff I do sell is mostly apparel. I've sold a couple of posters, a few digital downloads. I think I sold 1 pillow, and that's roughly about it. I've uploaded towels and socks and what else? But most of the sales are t-shirts and tank tops. So really getting tank tops, especially for women. So in the past month or so, I've been really trying to learn as much about Etsy and how people are using it. I've been following podcasts, looking at YouTube channels, and kind of seeing what's been working for most people. And what I realize is that most people are really targeting one niche, or if they have a store, let's say they'll mostly likely do a store, it'll be just apparel or stuff for babies. Or if they do digital downloads, their website or shop will be mostly digital downloads or print. So most of these stores do follow a theme or a niche. So when I first started uploading stuff, I was mixing a lot of things. So I wasn't really concentrating on one theme, niche, or idea, or even style. I was just kind of uploading a lot of stuff. And I think that is not necessarily the way to go. As I've seen other people do it, or examples of kind of like what other people suggest, is to kind of pick a niche, pick some topics. So currently in the past month, that's what I've been kind of doing. And also wanting the need to open up a second store. So I wasn't sure if you were allowed to have multiple stores and how all this worked. So I kind of did my research, and apparently you are. So at the Etsy website, having more than one shop on Etsy allowed. So you are allowed to have more than one shop. You should be able to fulfill all your orders. If you have multiple stores, you should be able to fulfill all of them without any problems. You also shouldn't have duplicate products. You must mention the names of your shops on your public profile. And obviously you have to follow the seller policy. So now that I know I can have another store, another thing I didn't know about when I first started is that you can actually get 40 free listings when you open up a shop. So now right here, I want to show you a website that I've been really happy using, and it's called Etsy Rank. So etsyrank.com. They have a keyword tool. So this is mostly what I've been using it for, to find keywords so I can add in my listings. But right here, this whole Etsy Rank has several tools. Really have to start to learn all of these because I'm fairly new. But they'll spell check. They'll give you kind of a grading system of things you need to improve in your shop. Another thing, like, try to optimize your store as much as possible. I know I've heard of other people saying if you don't really put much effort in the presentation, putting the policies, putting the About Me pages, Etsy doesn't really promote you as much. So the more effort you put into your shop, Etsy will help you a bit more with getting your products out there. So, optimizing up your banner, your profile picture, putting your About Me picture, putting details about me, try to fill it out as much as you can. And I believe, or I've heard other people mention, that this kind of gives your shop a little boost with Etsy, and they'll be willing to promote your stuff a bit more. So all of the products I sell on Etsy are coming from their partner or one of their partners that they accept people to work with, and it's Printful. So let's have a look at Printful. So Printful is a fulfillment company. They'll help you get the t-shirts that you kind of designed into the hands of your customers. So I've been using them as a fulfillment partner. So right here, my dashboard with Printful, when I get an order, it'll just basically come right here. It'll tell me the status. So right now we have one being fulfilled, one waiting fulfillment, and a couple that already went out. And when I click in there, I can get the tracking information, my customers' information, how much I made, how much was charged, and how much I made in profit. So lately I've been uploading a bit more t-shirts onto kid sizes. I've also been uploading onto backpacks. I'm hoping that there'll be a few people looking for backpacks to go back to school with. So I've been, uploading a few designs here. I've been having a few likes, no purchases yet, but we'll see how this goes. The reviews are pretty good. Here you'll see, let's see if here's a picture roughly what it would look like. Let's have another one. So overall, they have pretty decent reviews. There are some complaints, but you can go in there and have a look for yourself. So inside they have a pocket. You can actually put your logo or something. So this is a great idea as well. All right, so that is it for today. Now, if you haven't started on Etsy and you're interested, make sure you click my link down below. You get 40 listings for free. I get 40 listings for free. We help each other out. And if you have a comment, any suggestions, any questions, feel free to comment down below. See you next time. Peace.